my computer class. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to use HDMI cable. But I have this screen as a gift, and there is someone in TikTok who was happy with my videos, so nakamani anibaye this screen as a gift, okay? And that ule mtu anaitwa IT Sales Girl. So IT Sales Girl, thank you so much, okay? And now let's start. Now I will disconnect everything. Sasa to start afresh. Sasa mwona le na funza. Let's remove. Let me first remove my glass. Now let's remove this one. Like that. Then
let me help you with this.
you remove this one to my shader. Tuweke hapa. Mengine. Now we have removed everything. Now let's start connecting them, okay? So I'm about to start this with the power cable. Na sasa hii ikwe on, sawa? Okay. Acha ni turn hivi ndo sasa muone ole na connect. I think go over here. Ni kama hizi, then acha sasa wacha kwanza acha hii kwanza tuiconnect hapa ama tuweke hapa ipande sasa itaingia vizuri. Then this one, wacha sasa mbona unaenda connect. Let's stand first. Tunaiweka hivi. Ingiza. Wacha niingize kabisa hivyo. Like that. Sasa unataka kuona ile imewaka. Like that, you see? Sasa alaiko. You see? Now let's connect the HDMI cable. let's start with the big screen. The bigger screen. Like that. Then you put it this time first and put it like that. You see? Like this, you see? Just going to do it like this. Now, let's connect now the laptop with the HDMI cable. Turn like this. Sasa muwaze kuona. Kaya pada sasa.
Princess, hold on. Let me assist you move this so that what you are doing can be seen clearly.
Let's turn this first.
Turn this laptop like that also.
So we have done. Now let's put the HDMI cable into the laptop. Like that. You see? Now sasa wacha niziekeshe hivi ndo sasa muone. Like that. Sasa si umeona na sasa tuko kwa channel yangu. Tuko kwa channel yangu. Tunaweza hata kuminimize sawa. Let's minimize into the laptop. Minimize like that. Let's remove this thing, okay? Go into the 3 dots, okay? Options will come and say, imesema lock the sasa you click it. And then una click here like blue.